Nature Mysticism by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Nature Mysticism, a captivating concept that intertwines the realms of spirituality and nature, has sparked intrigue and fascination across cultures and centuries. It is a philosophy that recognises the profound connection between humans and the natural world, suggesting that nature possesses inherent spiritual qualities. Nature mysticism traces its roots back to ancient civilizations, where it found expression in various forms. Indigenous cultures revered nature as sacred, perceiving divine presence in the elements, forests and mountains. This spiritual affinity with nature was deeply ingrained in societies, guiding their rituals, beliefs and way of life. In the Western world, nature mysticism found fertile ground during the Romantic era. Poets and philosophers such as William Wordsworth and Ralph Waldo Emerson celebrated the beauty and sanctity of nature, viewing it as a source of spiritual inspiration. Their writings emphasized the transcendental experience of connecting with nature and its ability to evoke awe and wonder. More recently, prominent British poet and mystic Kathleen Raine, 1908 to 2003, has made significant contributions to the exploration of nature mysticism in her works. Her deep appreciation for the natural world and its connection to the spiritual realm is evident throughout her poetry and writings. Raine's exploration of nature mysticism goes beyond a mere observation of the external world. She delves into the inner experience and transformative power that nature can evoke within us. Through her words, Raine invites readers to contemplate the profound mysteries of nature and the potential for spiritual awakening that lies within its embrace. Her poetic language and vivid imagery allows us to glimpse the transcendent qualities of the natural world, reminding us of our intrinsic connection to it and our place within the greater cosmic order. Nature mysticism manifests in manifold ways, transcending cultural and religious boundaries. It encompasses practices such as animism, pantheism and panentheism, where the divine is perceived to permeate all of nature. For example, animism practiced by various indigenous communities reveres each rock, tree and creature as sacred, believing that they possess a spiritual essence. Moreover, nature mysticism is evident in eco-spirituality, a contemporary movement that seeks to rediscover spiritual interconnectedness with nature. Adherents of eco-spirituality emphasize sustainable living, ecological awareness, and environmental conservation as expressions of their reverence for nature. Nature mysticism offers profound insights with enduring effects on our perceptions of spirituality and the natural world. By recognizing the interconnectedness of all life forms, it promotes a deep sense of environmental responsibility and stewardship. This perspective invites us to reconsider our relationship with nature, emphasizing the need for sustainable practices that honor the planet and its resources. Nature mysticism inspires a spiritual connection with nature that fosters personal well-being and a sense of wholeness. The experience of awe in the face of nature's beauty and the grandeur can elicit feelings of transcendence and interconnectedness, providing solace, inspiration and grounding in our often hectic lives. While nature mysticism has its merits, it is not immune to criticisms and limitations. Skeptics argue that it tends to romanticize nature, overshadowing the harsh realities of the natural world. Additionally, its pantheistic and animistic beliefs clash with certain religious doctrines, leading to conflicts and misunderstandings. Nature mysticism, a philosophy that recognizes the spiritual essence of the natural world, offers significant insights into our perceptions of spirituality and nature. From its ancient origins to its present-day manifestations, it highlights the interconnectedness of all life forms and inspires reverence for the environment. Nature mysticism prompts us to rethink our relationship with nature, encouraging sustainable practices that protect our planet for future generations. Ultimately, it reminds us of the profound connection that exists between humans and the natural world, providing solace and enlightenment in our spiritual journey.